Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Madhu, Senior Consultant at Vardhan Fertility Centre, Bangalore. So as I sit back in OPD, I see a lot of people coming with menstrual disorders or menorrhagia or even USG report coming with endometrial polyp. So what we do, we go do blind DNC, even when we know that hysteroscopy was a better option for them. Trust me, hysteroscopy is not that difficult to master. Unlike laparoscopy, where you need a lot of time, patience for that hand-eye coordination. If we learn hysteroscopy is very simple. Only thing is that little bit of time and patience is required. So there is a training team purely conducted for hysteroscopy in Vardhan Fertility Centre, which is located at Banaswadi in Bangalore. This training team is usually trained under Dr. Vijay Kumar sir, who is endoscopic surgeon for more than 20 years. At this center, what we do is brief introduction about what is hysteroscopy, what are the indications for hysteroscopy, diagnostic, therapeutic, and procedures and complications, and how to tackle the complications. Later, you will be given an introduction about instruments. Then you will be allowed to assemble and disassemble the instruments and detailed description of the instruments, followed by training under endo trainer for extensive for first and second day with different modules of diagnostic and therapeutic hysteroscopy. And last day you will be allowed to enter into the OT, where from morning 8 o'clock till evening you will be seeing and doing lot of hysteroscopy cases one to one, and per candidate maybe with 1 to 2 minimum or a maximum 2 to 3 patients per candidate, depending on that day how many patients we will be able to assemble, and depending on number of candidates. End of the session, you will be able to do the cases independently when you go back to the center. So why only at Vardhan? Why Vardhan is because Vardhan, which is located in Bangalore, which is easy to commute. Second thing is we get lot of patient inflow is there. Third thing is one-to-one teaching will be there. Fourth one is per candidate minimum of one to patients and maximum of 2 to 3 patients will be given. And at the end of the thing, you will be a bit confident that yes, you can at least do the course. And who are the eligible candidates is infertility specialists, OGCNs, gynecologists, freshers, post MS, and also candidates outside the India are also welcome. So if you have any queries regarding this course, details about the concerned person number will be given. So please do contact. Thank you.